Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to create a book log, so grab a book and let's get started. I purchased a mini 3-ring binder from Staples. This was the only color that they had, and basically I filled it with some mini lined paper and just some mini dividers that I also found at Staples. I also painted this picture of the Moulin Rouge. That is one of my all-time favorite movies, so I went ahead and wanted to make the cover of my binder Moulin Rouge themed. So for my book log, I actually wanted to print out all of the pictures of the books that I have read or that I'm reading, and then be able to attach that on the piece of paper and write down a couple sentences about the book, how I felt about it, as well as the date that I finished the book. I honestly just wrote down a couple sentences of things that happened within the story because I didn't want to forget what the storyline was, and so I feel like creating a book log with just that kind of information really helped me to remember what the book was even about. So I just wanted to use some markers to add a little bit of color and also use it as a divider between my different book logs. And once I'm done, I can go ahead and just put it back into my binder, and that is the finished look. Hope you enjoyed!